Me and Alana in the back. What? Oh, we're jumping up. Oh! Just feel it, just feel it.
Kid, the great, we tell you the straight. No, kid, you read on the rest of them kid.
So as you can see, it's a no makeup day. We're going to have fun today because we're going to the waterfall, and I don't know which waterfall we're going to, so gonna have to ask. But yeah, stay tuned. Oh, now they're looking like my Hey flavorers, welcome back to the channel. Today your girl is going to, where are we going to?
Riding.
Huh?
Ride it.
Where are we going for real?
We celebrate life. We drive through again.
We're going to where? Mount Carmel Waterfall. Okay, so yeah, so we don't exactly know where we're going after Mount Carmel, but our first stop is Mount Carmel, and it's my first time going, so I'm very excited, you know. Woo! And then we have Alana.
Hey!
Oh gee, she loud boy. And then we have Tommy. And then we have Alana's offsprings. I joke, I'm making. We're going in. Huh?
You make us.
Just shoot. Watch how she this one and yeah, we're gonna have a good time. I could feel it coming in the air. The weather is nice. But I will show you the journey in between. You wanna say something, Alana? Oh, Lord, Dre. How we gonna forget you? Yeah. Well, she take the bartender, really. Somebody say hip hip. Wait, we didn't pray. Lord, Father, take us and guide us. We on a pit stop. First of all, no copyright me. We're always on your mind day. Yeah, so we are. Yo, hold on, let me see. Yeah, much better. So Dre went and get some knife so we could cut up our lime. You don't subscribe to my channel?
I don't think so.
Hey,
I don't sign for that.
Lord have mercy. People,
I'm so sorry.
they don't,
She posts me up there.
they don't.
Not the part where I burn back.
Yes,
Nah, I think I need to see this.
I'll block it out.
YouTube?
You have to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, data?
Of course.
Okay.
Darling.
Well, better than me.
Us.
I never have it too. So guys, this is your. If you ain't subscribers yet, make sure you go and subscribe. So look, she's subscribing now.
How long are you?
Do not watch that video.
Oh Jesus! What you got into? Oh my God! Sorry. I have ads on my videos. You see that? Make sure you watch the whole ads, okay? Watch the whole thing. See? Do not skip it when it comes to me. And also turn on your post notification. So it's on, so she will be notified every time I post a video, which is every Saturday. Alright? Just saying. Front and center. What is all your name? I don't know your name.
My name is Shadi. It's Daija.
Huh?
Daija.
Daija.
D-I-J-A-H.
Oh, Daija.
Can't keep my hands on myself. Think I'll dust them off, put them back up on the shelf. Kiss my little baby girl isn't me. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel to just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. I can feel it still. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might have had your fill.
Woo! So we are here. Well, no, we're not here. We're gonna walk up this distance. Yes? Huh? They're laughing after me for no reason. Because I'm afraid of dog. I thought we're going up, so you know. I didn't realize it's down that way. We're going down this way. Partly. In the back. What? Oh, we're jumping up. Oh, we're jumping up. Oh. We're going the wrong place.
So far, I ain't seen no I ain't seen no junction so far. You just rode. You came drunk, man. Wait now. Sexy Lona. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. Captured. Hey, hey, hey. Captured. Woo, woo. Captured. I hope I got it. Shortcut. Alright, to be continued.
Okay, I don't know the rest.
I hope.
That's a good way to compromise with the whole thing.
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah. Yeah. And there she goes again, people. There she goes again. I've been captured.
Yo, I feel I don't make for this life, bro. This life is
So that's why you're laughing, no?
Woo. Yeah, nice.
a snake or something.
No, we.
You see a monkey?
Let's capture it. Let's pet.
Cook that.
Yo, you know what's happening? the bar for me. We have Campari. What y'all want? Campari. We have sweet red wine. Sweet dry red wine. And some lime juice. Oh, citrus passion. Oh, local things. Y'all remember pizza bed? Like pizza bed. We're leaving the top floor. We're gonna see if we could go to the second floor. If not, I don't want my battery to dead, so I'm gonna film. I stopped filming now. I wanna go to the second floor because I think I see people were sliding down the fall. Remember that is why I said I wanted to come in the first place? Yeah, this is the rest stop. I'll show you guys when we get there anyway. So, bye for now. Alright, we're heading to fall number 2.
Keep my hands on myself. Think I'll dust them off, put them back up on the shelf. Kiss my little baby girl isn't me. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since that.
Can I jump?
You say I have a big bag in my hand. Now I could be super.
If you can make it, I can.
You said just in case I don't have confidence in yourself. Okay, I made it. Thank you. You can do it.
Ah, but that's the dream. That's the
There she goes. She's removing the spikes.
Spikes is for trucks, not for stone.
Alright.
Look at these now. Congratulations.
Yeah, I can come with it.
Come on, brother.
Bag in front, man. Bag in front.
Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. I can feel it still.
Yeah, so make up all the man. Make up all the man. All you want to do. You still want to go in?
Huh?
Still want to go in?
I really don't want to anymore. You want to go still?
Nah.
I just go and dive in. Oh, go and dive in and come out. I mean, no.
You're vlogging still? We're not sure if we want to go down yet.
Waterfall number 2. Hello.
Hello, How are you? What's your name? Yeah, okay, nice.
So that the vlogger? You want to
Yeah. Oh, hold on.
Hi guys.
That's a better. What a camera? Oh, legit, babe.
Follow them, I'll follow them.
Beautiful. Spectacular. Katie, there's a drone effect. Drone effect.
Yes, flavor. Oh, the place up to love. We're ending the vlog.
Eat your cricks and cakes.
No, Quicks don't sponsor this video. Quicks don't sponsor me at all. Yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video.
Like, subscribe, hold on.
Remember to sanitize, wear your mask, keep away from COVID free.
That too.
No COVID-19, man.
Amen.
2022? No, 2022. Not 19.
No. Anyways, don't forget to feel. Oh, this is Malta, so look at that. Yeah. No, that's why we could do the river tubing thing.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Anyways, you're getting distracted. Don't forget to feel, love, appreciate, value, and accept. people. Stop, don't sponsor this video either. I don't give it away no free promotion.
Where's the tambourine? Yeah, you must agree, though.
Okay, Rika. We could give Rika black. We could give Rika black.
Rika is family. Yeah.
Rika is family. We could give